Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. There are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters, emojis and math questions. In this video, total 40 questions. Time limit 10 seconds for each puzzle. Every correct answer equal to 1 point. Thanks for sharing your score and feedback on the previous video. We have truly appreciate your support. Now, are you ready for this challenge? Let's begin with some easy level. Guys, can you find the odd squid player number within 10 seconds? Yes, this one is the odd number 456. Only Puzzle Master can find the odd supervisor within 10 seconds. Yes, you are a puzzle master. You find the odd supervisor. Are you smart? Then find the odd letter Y. Good job. This one is the odd letter Y. Find the odd number of Squid Game famous player. The right number is 199. Can you identify the odd one Kong CBO character within 10 seconds? Amazing work! You identified the right odd character. Can you find the imposter letter like AZ? Wow, you have amazing eyes. You find the odd letter. Can you find the Squid Game number within 10 seconds? Amazing work. This one is the odd number. Look closely and find the odd Yuri within 10 seconds. Yes, you did it. You find the odd Yuri. Exciting math challenge. Can you solve these math quiz within 10 seconds? "24" answer is the correct answer. Look simple but not easy. Find the odd number within 10 seconds. Check it. Triangle is first and square in last. Easy level done. Medium level start. You have a deductive eyes. Then find the odd letter BOX. perfect spot, you find the odd letter. Only 10% can find the odd dalgona candy within 10 seconds. Fantastic work, you find it the odd candy. Can you find the odd number 598? Good job, you find the odd number within time. Are you a alphabet spy? Then find the odd letter N-O-T. Amazing work, this one is the odd letter. Think fast, find smart, find the odd Cho Sung Who. Yes, you find it the odd one within 10 seconds. Are you smart? Then find the odd number within 10 seconds. Yes, you find the odd number within time. Another exciting math challenge. Can you solve these math quiz within time? The A option is the correct option. Only genius can find the frontman within 10 seconds. Wow, you find the frontman within 10 seconds. Test your observation skill, find the odd number within 10 seconds. Yes, you did it. You find the odd number. Can you pick the odd letter like Z-O-S? Awesome! You pick the odd letter within time. Test your brain IQ, find the odd Kokomo. Yes, you find it. You are not eliminated in this game. Test your sharp eyes. Find a strange number like 905. Excellent. This one is the odd strange number. Letter hunter can spot the odd letter like MPO. Yes, you find it like a hunter. Super genius can find the odd arm god within 10 seconds. Yes, this one is the odd arm god. Impossible to find the odd number within 10 seconds. I know this one impossible, but you find it within time. Can you find the rule breaker letter within 10 seconds? I know you have a sharp eyes. You find the odd rule breaker letter. General knowledge quiz. Which food is considered a complete source of protein? Amazing work. You find the correct answer. Test your IQ. Find the number 657. Your IQ is very sharp. You find it. Can you spot the odd letter like COM? Yes, you spot the odd letter within time. Are you a genius? Then find the unique number like 727. Perfect spot. You find the unique number within time. Medium level done. Hard level start. Only 1% can find the odd squid player within 10 seconds. Yes, this one is the odd squid player. Only sharp eyes can find the odd number within 10 seconds. Can you find the odd letter within time? So far you find the odd letter within time. Brain IQ find the odd number. Challenge puzzle. Can you find the odd letter within time? Only detective eyes can find the odd Seong-gi-hun within 10 seconds. Yes, you find it the main character of Squid Game. Visual Eyes Challenge, find the odd number within 10 seconds. Brand Booster, can you find the odd letter within 10 seconds? Can you find the different number within 10 seconds? The last one, can you solve this math quiz within 10 seconds? The right answer give me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters, emojis and math questions? And subscribe the channel.